Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to be diving into the world of ChatGPT, AI PRM, and keywords everywhere, and how you can use these powerful tools to create amazing content. So ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI, and you can use it for a wide variety of tasks, including writing scripts, generating creative text formats, and translating languages. Here, first important tip 1. Prompt you can use, which is: imagine you are a professional, any job you like now, and I want you to write anything you want to do. Then second tip, AI PRM is a productivity extension that works with ChatGPT to help you streamline your workflow and create better content. It comes with a variety of features, including prompt discovery, prompt variables, and custom tones and writing styles. And also third tip, keywords. Everywhere is a browser extension that helps you research and identify relevant keywords for your content. It shows you keyword search volume, competition, and related keywords so that you can optimize your videos for search engines. So we will these 3 tools together to create amazing content. We'll cover everything from generating ideas for your videos, to writing your scripts, to optimizing your videos for search engines. One of the great things about ChatGPT is that it can help you generate ideas for your videos. Simply give it a prompt, and it will come up with a list of ideas that you can use. For example, you could give it a prompt like 10 video ideas for my YouTube channel with the first tip. Or you could ask it to come up with a list of questions that you could answer in your next video. ChatGPT can also be used to brainstorm new topics for your channel. For example, you could ask it to come up with a list of 5 trending topics in your niche. Once you have an idea for your video, you can use ChatGPT to write your script. Simply give it a brief outline of your video, and it will generate a script for you. You can also use ChatGPT to help you with specific writing tasks, such as writing dialogue, crafting transitions, and creating engaging hooks. Once you have your script, you can use keywords everywhere to optimize your video for search engines. Simply install the extension and search for the keywords you want to rank for. Keywords everywhere will show you the search volume, competition, and related keywords for each keyword. This information will help you choose the right keywords for your video and optimize your title, description, and tags. AI PRM can be a great tool for streamlining your workflow and creating better content. Some of the ways that you can use it include: prompt discovery. AI PRM can help you find the best prompts for ChatGPT, over 1,000 free prompts. Prompt variables. AI PRM allows you to create custom prompts with variables, so you can easily reuse your prompts. Custom tones and writing styles. AI PRM allows you to create custom tones and writing styles for ChatGPT, so you can create content that matches your brand voice. So ChatGPT, AI PRM, and keywords everywhere are all powerful tools that can help you create amazing content. By using these tools together, you can generate ideas, write scripts, and optimize your videos for search engines. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and see how these tools can help you take you to the next level. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to grow quicker on YouTube. If